Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a video of writing a fraction as a recurring decimal. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the keywords in the question, which is the fraction 3/11. We've got to write it as a recurring decimal. These are the keywords in this question, and this is worth 2 marks. Now, the key facts that you need to know to be able to answer this question are that a fraction means you divide the top number by the denominator, and you need to use the bus stop method of division to be able to do this. So press pause, have a go at using the bus stop method to divide 3/11, and then press play when you're ready to see the answer. So the bus stop method looks like this, where you have the number that you're dividing by at the front of a bus stop, and the number that you're going to divide into goes underneath. Now 3 is the same as 3.0000, and as many zeros as you like. I've just put 4 down just to see what happens. And we can add more later if we need to, or not have as many if we don't need to. So I'm now going to look at the number 11, and I'm going to take that number 11 and I'm going to say, how many times does this 11 go into the number 3? Now 11 doesn't fit into 3, so we write 0 above. Okay. Now we then need to say, well, how many are left over? So what number is here is how many is left over, and that gets written at the top here in green. So this is this little 3 here that's just appeared. Now I need to put a decimal point in the same place as where it's underneath. So the decimal point goes always in the same place. And now I'm looking at how many times 11 goes into this new number here that's appeared, which is the number 30. Now 11 goes into 30 2 times, because 2 times 11 is 22. And then if I do 30 take away 22, I am left with a remainder of 8. So now I'm looking at how many times does 11 go into this new number 80. So how many times does 11 fit into 80? It goes in 7 times, because 11 times 7 is 77. How many left to get to 80? That is a remainder of 3. You'll notice that this 3 and this 3 are exactly the same. Now, when you've got a recurring decimal, you're expecting to see some pattern recurring, some pattern repeating. So we've got to work out what that pattern is. So we then say 11 into 30 again is going to be 2, the same as what we had before. So you can see we've got a pattern of 2 repeating. Then how many are left over? So 30 take away 22 leaves me with 8. So now I'm going to look at how many times does 11 go into 80. Again, that is 7, exactly the same as before. So you can see that these first 2 digits here are exactly the same as the second 2 digits. And if I kept continuing, it would still keep going 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, which means it's a recurring decimal. Now, how we write a recurring decimal is we write 0.27 and we put a little dot above the 2 and above the 7 to show that the 2 and the 7 are both repeating. And this is worth 2 marks. Now, the mark scheme says there's an answer mark for 0.27 recurring. That gives you 2 marks. M1 is a division for doing 3 divided by 11. And for marks accepted, they will accept 0.2727 with dots afterwards, or implied by 0.27 or 0.28. You can see here, these are the 2 marks that you get for the question. It is a key question that you need to know how to do without a calculator. So this is a non-calculator question, so you must be able to divide without a calculator. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know what you would like to see in my next video. See you next time!